Hello friends, this is a demonstration of advanced train crossing system with crossing line protection for vehicles passing from the crossing or a crossing area. First, let's quick look of components. Here is a main circuit board created by 8051 microprocessor. The chip is 8089S52. Power supply switch, motor driver IC L293D. I repeat, L293D, dual edge bridge driver or motor driver. Here is a power supply socket connector. It is connected at 12 volt DC. The first is positive, 12 volt DC. The yellow is positive and black is negative. Then there is a switch for power supply. Here is a protection diode. The black is a 7805 regulator IC. These two chips are network registers or a register pack of 10 kilo ohm. These are current limiting registers for red and green LED. This is a voltage regulator IC, also a 7805, to provide regulated 5 volt to linear actuators. Here is another screw terminal for motor. This PCB is main PCB. Other 6 PCBs are also connected with it. Here is a capacitor for filtration purpose. Crystal oscillator. Value of this crystal is 11.0592 MHz. Resonant filters 33 PF. Reset resistor and capacitors are under the chip. It is hidden by this IC, microcontroller IC. Let's take a sensor for vehicles passing from the crossing area. This is a sensor 1 and sensor 2. The name is CSR and CSL, means crossing sensor left, crossing sensor right. When the vehicles are passing through the crossing area, it will detect and will not close the door, so the accident cannot take place. So these are the protection devices specially added as per request. This is linear actuator, 5 volt 300 rpm motor. The same is here for other actuator. These are logic switches, logic switch 1 and the logic switch 2. Open and close protection. You can see it here. Same are, one is here. This is for close operation and this is for open operation. You can see. This is S2R, means right side sensor 2, right side sensor 1, S1R. Same is left side, S2L, left side sensor 2, left side sensor 1. The nearest sensor is 2 and the 1 is at long distance. Okay. Let's start the project. When we start a project, first it will initialize its all settings and will check for close and open switches initializations. Let us start it. After pressing the switch to the area, all the lights would be blink once and the door will close and will be open automatically after 1 second. Let us do it again. We have switched off it and then switch on it. See. So it is initialized. So now imagine there is a vehicle on the track. Here is a vehicle on the track. and a train comes from this side. So the red LED will blink on to indicate train driver that you have to stop. There is no passing permission for a train. The train passes from here. You can see the red light, and whenever the train is passes here, the LED will be blink. So it is a long distance detection that train is coming towards the crossing line. Here the red light is on, so the train driver should stop the train because there is a vehicle on the crossing. Till the vehicle is on the crossing, these crossings will not be closed. If the vehicle passes from here, the crossings are closed. See, and then here is a green signal for train, so the driver can go through this way. If a train passes from the nearest sensor, not detected at nearest sensor but passes from, so the train passes from, then the green LED will be off and the crossings will be open. But still there is no permission for other train to come this side, so it is indicating that this side operation is not over. The train must go from the distance sensor, then the LED will be closed. Let us see it another time in a fast mode. Now imagine this time no vehicle is on the track at the crossing area. So green LED, the train passes from here, and then the train comes to here but not passes. After passes, start, the green LED is on. When I pass the card from the here, the green LED will be off, so it will demonstrate that sorry, the train operation is over. See, let us take another side. This same procedure for another side. The train comes from here, doors are closed, green signal for train driver. The train passes from here, no vehicle on the track or a crossing area. Train passes from here, the doors are open, but still the green LED is on, indicating that the train passing procedure or operation is not over. When I swipe the card or a train passes from here, not detected but passes from here, will switch off the LED. See, if there is any vehicle on one of the two sensors, the closing operation will not take place. Let us see, and red LED will be blink here to stop, to indicate the driver that train cannot pass through here. There is a vehicle on the track. If the vehicle is not available on the track, the door will be closed automatically. See, now the vehicle passes from here, not detected it here. If the train comes here and the doors open, the accident will be take place, but train must be passed from the nearest sensor. See, then if the train passes from here, the operation will be over. So this is a demo. Thanks for watching.